Hello everybody, welcome back to TechTube. I hope you all are doing great. So in today's episode, I'm gonna guide you through the tutorial video of how to remove your location from your Instagram post. So to get started, first of all, let me tell you guys that you can only remove your location from the past post that you have uploaded on your Instagram. So for instance, I have uploaded these reels and then I have added my location too. So in order to remove it, what I gotta do is click on that three dots and then click on edit, and now you can see my location is already seen in there, Kathmandu, Nepal. And as you can see the cross button right there, simply tap on it and click on the tick button. Once you do it, your location will be successfully removed from the Instagram post. That's all guys, I hope you found the video to be helpful. If yes, please do not forget to subscribe to our channel and also press the notification bell for more updates.